So I'm here at Atmosphere America 2018 with Pete Lepschat from Henningsen Cold Storage, and he's kind of talked to me about his journey from reducing ammonia charge to basically having no charge now with the new CO2 transcritical system. So Pete, take it away.
Boy, where to start? That's an open question. Years ago, we used to build our plants very conventionally.
Yeah. And
when I kind of came on board years ago as well, I kind of made the commitment that I wanted to reduce our ammonia charges. Mm-hmm. So we went through several iterations of that, kind of a continuous improvement process, if you will. And our company is really all about that. And so after our last low charge ammonia plant, which we were pretty successful at, kind of my next step was, what can we do to further reduce or eliminate ammonia from our plant? Not that it's a bad thing, but that it's something you want to use as little as you can of to get what you need done. And maybe there are options coming out with technology and the market changing. So we looked at CO2, and after an extensive search, settled on a transcritical CO2 system in our newest facility, which is just under construction, almost finished. And preliminary looks like a really good fit for us. I think it's a big change. It's going to be a totally different way to think about things, but it's in a good way. I think that long term it's going to be really good for us as a rule. So.
And this CO2 transcritical system, what kind of megawatt are we talking?
This one is 150 tons of refrigeration effect, roughly. It's a mid-sized warehouse. Our warehouses are fairly efficient in terms of not just the refrigeration system, but the thermal envelope, if you will, the building, how well it holds the heat out. And so our systems typically are smaller than some of our competitor systems because of the work we've done on our thermal as well. So 150 tons.
Okay. All right. Well, thanks very much. And if you want some more information about this system, I encourage you to contact Henningsen to find out some more, especially if you're thinking as well about going this way. Well, thank you. This is all for Atmosphere America.